Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most thrilling muscle cars out there, the 2026 Dodge Charger Hellcat HEMI. If you're a fan of raw power, performance, and that unmistakable growl, you're in for a treat. We'll go over everything from the aggressive exterior to the high-performance powertrain, and of course, the luxurious interior features. Whether you're a die-hard fan of muscle cars or looking to make an informed decision on your next performance vehicle, stick around. Let's get started. Exterior features. The 2026 Dodge Charger Hellcat HEMI is a force to be reckoned with. It's got an aggressive stance, bold lines, and a muscular design that screams power. Let's break it down. Body panels. The body panels of the Charger Hellcat are crafted from high-strength steel, giving the car a robust, solid structure that's built to last. The sleek curves are not only visually striking but also engineered for optimal aerodynamics. These panels help reduce drag, improve stability at high speeds, and contribute to the vehicle's overall performance. The fit and finish are top-notch, with a smooth, reflective surface that enhances the car's bold and imposing presence. Headlights. The headlights on the Charger Hellcat are one of its most distinctive features. With LED daytime running lights and an aggressive headlamp design, these lights offer both functionality and style. The HID, high-intensity discharge, bulbs provide crystal-clear illumination for night driving, and the angular, sharp design of the headlamps complements the vehicle's muscular front end. Additionally, these headlights are adaptive, meaning they adjust to your steering angle, providing enhanced visibility around corners, perfect for high-speed driving or navigating dark, winding roads. Taillights. The rear of the Charger Hellcat is just as menacing as the front. The taillights feature Dodge's signature full-width LED light bar, which not only gives the car a modern, high-tech look but also enhances visibility to other drivers, improving safety. The lights shine brightly when braking, providing quick recognition of the vehicle's movements. The LED technology is energy efficient and offers a longer lifespan than traditional bulbs, while the rear design ties in perfectly with the car's overall aggressive aesthetic. Grille. The grille on the 2026 Charger Hellcat is one of the key elements that adds to its intimidating appeal. A wide, menacing design that's fully functional, this grille helps channel air directly into the engine bay, keeping the HEMI engine cool during hard performance runs. The blacked-out mesh finish, combined with the bold Dodge logo, gives the Charger a dominant look. It's designed not just for style, but for performance, allowing maximum airflow to improve cooling efficiency and enhance engine performance. Interior comfort and convenience. Inside the Charger Hellcat, you'll find a cabin that blends comfort, luxury, and high-tech features, all while maintaining that muscle car feel. Seats. The seats in the Charger Hellcat are designed for both comfort and support. The sport bucket seats are upholstered in high-quality leather with suede inserts, providing an upscale feel. The Hellcat trim features adjustable, heated, and ventilated seats with memory settings, ensuring that no matter how long your drive is, you'll be comfortable. The bolstered sides keep you firmly in place during aggressive cornering, and the 12-way power adjustment allows you to fine-tune your seating position for ultimate comfort. Dashboard. The dashboard of the Charger Hellcat is a blend of old-school muscle car vibes and modern technology. The driver-centric layout features high-quality materials, including soft-touch plastics and premium finishes, giving it a refined look. At the center, the 8.4-inch Uconnect touchscreen sits proudly, surrounded by intuitive controls for climate, media, and performance options. The customizable digital gauge cluster adds a modern touch, letting you monitor everything from engine temperature to performance metrics, all while providing a sporty visual experience. Infotainment system. The Uconnect infotainment system in the 2026 Charger Hellcat is one of the best in the industry. The 8.4-inch display, upgradable to 10.1 inches, offers a crisp and responsive interface, making it easy to navigate through media, navigation, and vehicle settings. It integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to connect your phone for hands-free calling, texting, and music streaming. The system also comes with available satellite radio and a premium Harman Kardon sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio for an immersive listening experience. The system even offers performance-specific features, such as real-time tracking of your 0-60 times and lap data. Steering wheel. The steering wheel in the Charger Hellcat is not just functional, but also designed for performance. It's wrapped in premium leather, offering a comfortable, firm grip whether you're cruising on the highway or taking tight corners. The wheel features integrated buttons for cruise control, media, and hands-free calling, so you can keep your hands on the wheel at all times. For those who like to feel connected to the road, the wheel also features paddle shifters, allowing you to take full control of the car's 8-speed automatic transmission, enhancing the driving experience and putting the power in your hands. Powertrain components. Let's talk about the beast under the hood of the 2026 Charger Hellcat HEMI. Engine. The heart of the Charger Hellcat is a 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8 engine that delivers an astonishing 707 horsepower and 650 pounds-feet of torque. This powerhouse allows the Hellcat to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, one of the quickest in its class. The supercharger boosts air intake, creating that signature Hellcat roar while improving performance. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this engine offers smooth shifts and precise power delivery, whether you're cruising on the highway or taking the car to the track. The Charger Hellcat is all about brute force and high performance, and it delivers on every front. Hybrid option. While the Hellcat is traditionally about raw, untamed power, Dodge has also been exploring hybrid technology across its lineup. However, as of now, there isn't a hybrid option for the Charger Hellcat specifically. That said, Dodge has integrated mild hybrid systems into some of their other models to improve fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. If you're looking for something with a bit of hybrid tech, you may want to check out other trims within the Charger family, but for pure performance, the Hellcat remains the top choice. Safety and driver assistance. Dodge doesn't just focus on performance. The 2026 Charger Hellcat is also packed with safety features designed to protect you on the road. Airbags. The Hellcat comes equipped with an extensive array of airbags to protect both driver and passengers in the event of a collision. Front and side airbags, along with curtain airbags, provide all-around protection. The advanced sensor system ensures that each airbag deploys precisely when needed, minimizing the risk of injury. The strong steel frame and crumple zones further enhance safety by absorbing and redirecting impact forces, giving you added peace of mind. Parking assist. Parking a muscle car like the Charger Hellcat can be tricky, but Dodge has included a suite of driver assist features to make things easier. The available parking assist system uses sensors and cameras to guide you into parking spots, offering real-time feedback to help you navigate tight spaces with ease. The system can even take over the steering wheel to park the car automatically, a feature that's especially useful when parking in crowded areas. Pricing. The 2026 Dodge Charger Hellcat comes with a price tag that reflects its high-performance capabilities. The base model starts around $80,000, with prices going up depending on the trim level and additional options you choose. Given the raw power, iconic status, and array of luxury features, it offers great value for enthusiasts looking for an unforgettable driving experience. Ending note. And that wraps up our review of the 2026 Dodge Charger Hellcat HEMI. If you're after a muscle car that combines breathtaking power, modern technology, and unmistakable style, the Charger Hellcat should be at the top of your list. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.